Hello guys, welcome to VCAM World. Today we will discuss on the limitations and applications of Henry's law. First start with the limitations of Henry's law. It is valid for the if pressure is low. Because of the at high pressure we know that the P is equal to the kh into x. Kh is the Henry's constant, x is the mole fraction and P is the pressure. So we know that the pressure increase, kh value increase. Pressure increase, kh value increase means that at high pressure the lobe becomes the less accurate because of the kh value is increase and kh value is needed to the considerable deviation. That way pressure is low for the Henry's law. Second is the temperature is not too low. Temperature is not too low because of the we know that where temperature increase solubility increase and temperature decrease solubility decrease. Whereas the temperature is too low, that means the solubility decrease. So in this Henry's law say that the solubility increase. So that way this is the limitation whereas the temperature is too low. Third is the gas is not highly soluble. And fourth is the gas neither reacted chemically with solvent nor dissociate or nor associate. That means this is the considered as the ideal condition of the gas. So these four are the limitations of Henry's law. Next is the applications of Henry's law. There are many applications we are using in this daily life. First is in the production of carbonated beverages. We know that where pressure increase, solubility increase. Because of the pressure is directly proportional to the mole fraction. So pressure increase, mole fraction increase. That means mole fraction increase means solubility increase. For example, consider as the increase the solubility of CO2 in soft drink water. Increase the solubility of CO2 in soft drink bottle. So this bottle is sealed with the high pressure. That means inside the bottle high pressure present and outside the atmospheric pressure present. So this between the inside the bottle pressure and atmospheric pressure there is the difference between the pressure. Because of the in the bottle high pressure and atmospheric pressure is a 1 atm. Where we open the bottle under normal atmospheric condition, the pressure inside the bottle fall to the atmospheric pressure. So that way this gives the excess CO2 bubble out of this bottle. This known as the causing of effervescence. So that is the first application is in the production of carbonated beverages. Next is the in deep sea diving, scuba diving. Whereas the divers depend upon a compressor for breathing at high pressure underwater. Compressor is made up of the nitrogen and oxygen. For the high pressure, this compressed air using for the breathing for the divers. So where pressure increase, solubility of gases increase. For example, consider as in the normal condition, pressure is equal to 1 atm. So that is the not dissolve nitrogen and oxygen in the blood. But where high pressure, it is the underwater high pressure, solubility of gases nitrogen and oxygen is increased. Oxygen is the good but nitrogen is not very good for the body. Because of the when this diver is come towards the surface, the pressure decrease and N2 comes out of the body quickly forming a bubble in the bloodstream. This bubble restricts the blood flow and the bubble can even burst the block the capillary. So this condition is known as the bend. This condition is known as the bend. So this is the overcome this difficulty professional diver use air diluted with helium gas because of the helium is less soluble than the nitrogen and helium has easily removed in our body than the nitrogen. So that way professional diver uses the helium gas. Lower solubility of helium and smaller size of helium gas than the nitrogen we use as the helium gas. Next is the at high altitudes. At high altitude, a partial pressure of oxygen is less than the ground level. This results in the low concentration of the oxygen in the blood. The low blood oxygen causes the climber to weak and unable to think clearly known as the anoxia. Fourth is in the function of lungs. To minimize the painful effect during the decompression, oxygen diluted with the less soluble helium gas. We know that in the compressed air, nitrogen and oxygen present, but professional divers uses the nitrogen oxygen with helium. Because of the less soluble helium gas is easily removed in this our body. So that is gives the better function for the lungs.